Hello everyone! Welcome back to Daily English. Today is day 9 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today we will learn 100 more daily used English sentences that you can use in real conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. What are you looking at? I am looking at the sky. I am looking at my phone. I am looking for my keys. Did you find your keys? Yes, I found them. No, I am still searching. Please help me find them. Let's search together. Check your bag. Check the table. Check your pocket. I found it. Thank goodness. That was close. I was worried. Now I feel relaxed. Everything is fine now. Problem solved. Let's move on. What are you doing this evening? I am going to relax. I am planning to study. I am planning to watch a movie. I want to go outside. I want to take a walk. I want to meet my friends. Let's hang out together. Let's spend some time together. That sounds fun. I like that idea. Let's do something exciting. Let's try something new. Let's enjoy the evening. Today was a long day. I need some rest. I am feeling tired. I am feeling relaxed now. It feels good. I am happy today. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. I like spicy food. I like sweet food. I like homemade food. Do you like tea or coffee? I prefer tea. I prefer coffee. I drink tea every day. I drink coffee sometimes. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is the park. I like peaceful places. I like quiet places. I enjoy nature. Nature is beautiful. Fresh air feels great. It makes me happy. It gives me peace. I feel relaxed there. I need to finish my work. I need to complete this task. I need to focus now. I need to concentrate. I will finish it today. I will complete it soon. I will try my best. I will work harder. I will stay focused. I will not give up. Hard work always pays off. Success requires effort. Patience is important. Stay calm and focused. Believe in your ability. Trust yourself. Keep learning every day. Keep practicing daily. Every day is a new opportunity. Make the most of it. English is easy if you practice. Practice speaking every day. Listen to English carefully. Watch English videos. Read English books. Learn new words daily. Use simple sentences. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. Confidence is very important. Believe in yourself. You are improving every day. Keep moving forward. Stay positive always. Your hard work will succeed. Keep practicing daily. Never stop learning. Your English will become fluent. See you tomorrow for day 10. 100 more daily English sentences. If you want to speak English confidently, listen to these sentences again and repeat them loudly. Practice these 100 sentences every day, and slowly your English will become natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, Daily English, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with Day 10, 100 more daily English sentences.